Chef Sangeeta from IIHM Goa, and today we're going to be preparing lobster thermidor, which is one of my personal favorite and definitely a classical French preparation where we will be using bechamel sauce for the white sauce and brandy, which can be usually bicarbonate, which should be used. So being in Goa, it has never been a problem to get some good seafood or the fresh ones from the sea. Goa is all about sun, sand and sea. So today we got one big and very nice lobster, absolutely fresh lobster, and so we're going to be preparing the lobster the way I'm doing.
So any seafood which has movable joints are called crustaceans. Now we will cut the tentacles of the lobster and then we dissect the lower part of the shell slowly, keeping the shell intact, and we remove the meat which is inside. There is a beautiful meat which is inside. We will remove it slowly and gradually, and make sure that the shell is not been broken because we will be using it for the final presentation. Now here we got the meat, and keep it aside for marination. Now this lobster shell to be cleaned a little more, and then in a pan we add vinegar, and then we add the lobster shell in. We got the lobster meat ready with us, and then we slit and cut into small pieces, and then marinate and keep it in the fridge. For making lobster thermidor, the basic ingredient which we require are onion, garlic, leek, celery, carrot, mushroom, lyso, which means equal proportion of cream and egg yolk to be mixed in the proportion of 3:1. And then we require bechamel sauce, and we start making the bechamel.
For making bechamel sauce, we would require milk. The milk is already simmering, and I'm going to be adding onion float. Onion float is onion stuffed with bay leaf and clove. And we will be requiring white roux. For that we require butter 50 grams, flour 50 grams. So white roux can be defined as equal proportion of butter and flour cooked together. In white sauce, which is the other name is bechamel sauce, and we require to thicken it up. So in that case we require white roux, which means 50 grams of butter and 50 grams of flour mixed together, and we have to cook until it is little golden and not overly cooked or over brown, and the raw flavor of the flour is gone. So the milk for the white sauce is already ready. It is simmered and to be kept at room temperature, while the roux is there with us, the white roux, and I will be mixing it to it and start stirring it. Since roux is a thickening agent, it will give a thickening consistency to the sauce, slowly and gradually. Make sure there is no lump while you are mixing the roux to the milk. Slowly, if you can see that the white sauce got thickened up, and if you want to check that is it of the right consistency or not, please use the back of the spoon to check the consistency. If it's coating the back of the spoon, then the sauce is absolutely correct. Now to this I will add some salt and some white pepper. So our bechamel sauce is almost ready. To make sure that there is no lumps which is left in the white sauce, we need to strain the white sauce. Now we start making the lobster thermidor. The lobster meat is already with us. We'll add some coconut to it, some white pepper, some salt. Mix it together and keep it back in the fridge. Now for the lobster thermidor, we require the carrot cut into brunoise, We got some button mushroom. We make small dices out of it. Now the final preparation of lobster thermidor. We require butter. Wait until the butter gets melted and the pan is hot. Saute it. Garlic. Leek. Now we'll add the onion. Add some salt and some white pepper and saute again. Now we'll add some carrot and some mushroom and saute until it gets little brown. Now when the vegetables are almost little brown, we will add the lobster meat to it. We add cognac. It has a very aromatic flavor coming out of it. Now we'll add the bechamel sauce what we prepared. And keep for some time so that the lobster meat gets cooked well. Now we add a dash of cream and again we wait for the lobster meat to get cooked. We have to make lyeso, which is again a thickening agent to the sauce. So we require egg yolk and cream in the proportion of 1:3 and we whisk it together. This will go at the end in the lobster sauce. The lobster thermidor is almost about to get over and now we'll add the lyeso to it and swirl it well so that it doesn't get curdled and put the gas off. That's it. We finish with some chopped parsley and some grated cheese. We got the lobster tail already with us and I will be placing the cooked lobster into. We put some cheese again on top and this will go in the salamander for next 10 minutes to have a nice color, brown color on top, which will make sure that this dish is gratinated and looks beautiful from top. I made a fresh salad with some blanched spinach, some julienne of tomatoes, julienne of onion, julienne of cabbage, salt, pepper. I'm adding some olive oil to it to give it a glaze. And we got some iceberg lettuce with us. And now finally I will be presenting the gratinated lobster tail along with the lobster meat to it. So this is what we have gratinated already. Nevertheless, to add on to the look of the dish, I should not be forgetting about the lobster head. And then definitely some olive oil, which gives the dish more glaze and looks more hearty and absolutely delicious. We finish with some parsley, sprig, and that's our lobster thermidor.